If you probably don't know how to change the default media player in your MacBook, then this video is for you. First of all, you have to click to the video which you want to open. For example, this one, and if you can see, this one is MP4. And then you have to right click here, and then you can just go a little bit here to the get info, click here, and then you need to come and change this, the QuickTime play. You can see here there is default. So you actually have to click here, and then you can select your media player as per your choice. For me, the one which I like using, it is this one, Elmedia video player. So you actually need to select this one, and then don't forget to click change all. So once you click change all, it will direct you to here, and you actually have to click continue. And then for this type of videos, MP4, it means it will automatically be opened in this Elmedia video player. And once done, you actually have to close it. And now if we open this video, you will see that it will automatically open in this Elmedia video player.
I felt in that moment.
And for the other types of videos which you have, like MOV, like the one showing here, you need to change it and do the same thing. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.